again, YouTubers. So it is time to sit down and do a quick get ready with me. Start the year off right with a get ready with me. Why not, right? This is the look I'm doing. I am super pale right now, crazy pale. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's jump right in. All right, so first things first is I have been having some redness and breakouts on my skin like crazy. I'm going to use this today. I haven't tried it yet. It's by Lancome. It's a Tint Ultra Wear Camouflage Correcting Concealer. Now, I have used the ones that are the cushion ones, and I really like that. Oh, so I guess I got to shake it up a little bit. It was a little liquidy. Maybe just squeeze it around. I don't know. It's brand new. Have not used this before. Let's see here. Try and... There we go. So let's see what this is like. I have like tons of redness because right now I am pale as can be. You hear my dogs down there being brats. It's a snow day, so you may see MJ come in and out of here as well. This isn't a beauty blender. This is a Beauty Junkies sponge, and I like them way better than even a beauty blender or a Real Techniques one. Yeah, the dogs want to go out and eat the snow. That's all they want to do. But they both, if they do that, end up puking it right back up. So they're not going out. So I apologize if you keep hearing a strange ringing sound. It's the pups wanting to go out. And MJ is off of school because it's a snow day, so it's gross and cold and yucky today. I am pre-taping this because next week's a little bit crazy for me. So when you guys will be seeing this is on Tuesday, which is my birthday, and I'm not gonna be doing stuff on my birthday. I've been slacking so far this year on, I'm gonna use this. I'm going back to my lighter foundations. This is Chanel Vitalumiere Aqua in the color 30 beige, 20 beige. Hold on a second, let's take a look and see. 30 beige. Oh, you know what I want to do before that? I've been using this Pixie Vitamin Makeup Mist. You can buy it at Target. It's pretty cool. Just gives you a little bit of extra something. My lash extensions get filled this week. It's a crazy week. So, that being said, I'm pre-taping this on Thursday. It's Thursday, and I'm getting my hair cut today. So it's just up in a little bun and a braid right now. I'm trying to decide if I should use the beauty blender. Oh, my alarm is going off for the school bus. Sorry about that. So I have a question. Do you guys still like seeing these, or do you guys prefer seeing the Instagram lives where I then save them for 24 hours? Just wondering what you guys prefer, because if you guys don't really like watching these because you prefer to see the lives, good to know type of thing. This does not come out very easily, by the way. I don't know if the stopper stopped up or what the deal is. Oh, that's a lot. Let's see here. Spread it out. I haven't used this in so long, and I forgot how much I like it. It's not super crazy coverage, but it's like a nice, cool finish. It's like, not cool as in cool tone, meaning cool as in like, I like the look of it. It's not too heavy looking. This time of year, because I'm so pale, and because the weather is so drying and all this heat and everything else, I kind of need more hydrating style foundations than I typically use. I've been using a lot of CC creams, I went back to my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I got it actually in another color. I'm gonna go up under my eyes just a little bit. I got it in a lighter color, and so far I've been liking it, but I don't tend to wear that during the day. Around my eyes a little bit, around my nose, make sure everything's good. Bring it down a little bit. I am so pale. I'm trying to decide if I can stick with being pale for the whole winter. We will see. Those spots, those 3 breakout spots that were really red, this is Tarte Shape Tape. So here's the deal with this. I wanted to love this. Everybody says they love it. I've tried it multiple times, and I like it for concealing spots on my face, but I despise it under my eyes. And I know some people like it, but I despise it under my eyes. It just, I don't know if it's my age, I don't know if it's my skin. It gets cakey and gross and settles and blah. So yeah, so I do a lot of Instagram lives, but I've still been doing my get ready with me's. This is a Beauty Junkies brush that came in a set, and I use another one from that set too. Too Faced chocolate matte, you know what I'm talking about. My brain is not working. I'm using this as a contour right now. And I don't bring it all the way down and in. So yeah, so let's chat. Like, I don't know. My brain has been fried. I have a cold, which is not going away. Tom Ford bronzer brush and Laura Geller bronze and brighten in the fair one. And I use this just to blend everything out. I'm just taking it down my neck to make sure everything blends well. I'm not very good at talking just without any leads in, huh? While I'm doing this, my brain is fried, guys. Because I can't tend to talk to you guys more about what I'm using. Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Taupe, my favorite. So yeah, tell me what you guys are thinking about these, because I enjoy doing the Instagram lives, and I almost did one today. But I decided that I was going to sit down and do this video because I haven't done a get ready with me on my channel in quite some time. I mean, do you guys, what videos are your favorites to see on my channel? And that's probably a better way to ask it. This is the Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo in Amber. And I'm just, lately I've just been using the powder side. Let me see if I can make sure I'm staying in shot. I've just been using the powder side of it. I do need to go get my brows touched up this winter. If you don't know, my eyebrows are microbladed. And the reason I say I need to go get them touched up is I am extremely oily skin. And most times when someone is very oily skinned, the pigment doesn't stay as well. And I knew that going into it. And mine, although they are very good and look great, I love the shape, I love all that, they have lost their color tone a little bit. So that's why I use this to fill in the color that I need. What in the world did I get on my face? What is next? Let's think. I don't think I'm going to do much on my eyes. I'm going to take, that was a Sedona lace, by the way. Do you guys also, okay, so here's a question. When I'm doing these videos, I'm going to bring this down on my lids. Do you guys like to see links for everything? Do you guys use the links? Would you rather not see links? I mean, because the links take a while. Let's see here. We're going to use, this is a MAC 213. It's old. Urban Decay Naked Basics. I'm going to use this top corner one just as my brow bone highlight. If you guys don't use them, like, it's way quicker to not do them, obviously. I feel like on the clothing you guys use them, and on the get ready with me is you guys don't use them. I don't know. Thoughts? Under eyes. I have been loving this thing. It is Amazing Concealer Illuminate in the color medium beige. It's like a cross between MAC Prep and Prime and a concealer, but it's more like highlighting. I don't know, it's really good. I've been liking this little Pixie brush. Strobe and Sculpt. I've been using this side. There's a lot of other brushes out there like this, by the way. You don't, somebody said there's an Hourglass one like this, or is it Hourglass? I forget who has the brushes this color. Somebody thought I was using that one day, like whatever that other type is, I forget. And then I use Urban Decay Naked Concealer in medium light, not light medium. I can hear MJ down there doing something. And I take that same beauty blender, but with the other side. Start up here, go down my nose. Oh, that's where I forgot. Around where I get redness. This is just my quick everyday. Like, this isn't what I'm going like to the gym, but this is like if I'm running errands or something like that. It's just quick and easy, but it looks like you put more effort into it than you probably do. All right, then I take another brush from that Beauty Junkies brush set. I have been using the Hourglass Dim Light in this brush. It just seems to work under my eyes really well. You do have to be careful though. It's on the verge of getting too dark for me. Darn this light skin. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm using this Clinique powder. I don't even know what this is called. Perfectly Real Compact Makeup in shade 126. And I set this not where the bronzer is, but just where the other like foundation was, those areas that had foundation that needs to be set but don't need or didn't have bronzer. So we'll do that. Those dogs, they're cracking me up down there. Next thing I've been using, I've been bouncing all over the place too, by the way, is this Marc Jacobs blush. I'm in love with this. Flesh and Fantasy, the NYX Cosmetics brush. Just on the cheeks. And then sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I'm just doing it because we're getting ready. This is a Sephora Pro 54 and Laura Mercier Baked Matte Radiant Highlight 01. I just put a little bit. Let's think. You know what? I've been doing this a lot lately, so let's do this. Marc Jacobs Fineliner, the black one. Plus my lashes need to be filled, so it looks a little bit better when I put some eyeliner on my waterline. Then I need to comb them out desperately. Used to get all, oh, I got some serious. I was not paying attention to that. Look at that eyeliner over there. There we go. Comb them out. Can't wait to get my lash extensions filled. Sometimes, because it starts to transfer underneath, I just kind of lightly put some on the outer corner. And then I just take a little smudger brush. This is a Sigma eyeliner E15. And I just smudge it into the lash line a little bit. Feels like it needs a little bit more. There we go. Putting it on the lash line more so than the water line down here. Can't talk very well while you do this. Make your eyes water. Whew. Wipe that off a little bit because that settles on there. All right, I feel like under my eyes needs to be wiped up just a little bit more. This is just a Sephora Pro Airbrush Concealer Brush. Lips. All right. I have honestly been using one of two things. They're both by Lancome. One is 254 Creme de Maroon, and one is 326 Croquet. 326 is much more of a shimmery, shiny, everyday look. And Creme de Maroon is, I'm just going to grab that one today because it looks more like the sweater. I have not been lining my lips, but I feel like it's getting to that point where my lip filler needs to be redone soon. This is just my quick, everyday, get ready, like if I'm running errands, have things to do, need a little bit of something look. Ugh, I feel so pale. I'm like the color of my oatmeal shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We will see more through 2018 as we go, see what changes we have in store, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.